Welcome to our channel. Our topic today is the ultimate guide to passive income with real estate crowdfunding 2025. What if you could invest in real estate? Earn passive income. It may sound too good to be true, but real estate crowdfunding has made this possible for anyone. Even with a small budget, the real estate market has traditionally been reserved for the wealthy. But thanks to crowdfunding platforms, you can now invest in high-quality real estate projects with as little as $100. In this video, we'll break down how real estate crowdfunding works and why it's growing fast, the different ways you can earn steady passive income, the best platforms to invest in 2025, proven strategies to maximize returns while minimizing risk. If you're looking for a smart, hands-free way to invest in real estate and generate long-term wealth, then stay tuned. What is real estate crowdfunding? Real estate has always been a powerful wealth-building tool. However, traditional property investment requires a lot of capital. Buying even a small apartment could cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Active management, dealing with tenants, maintenance, taxes, and market fluctuations. High risk. If one property fails, you could lose a fortune. But real estate crowdfunding removes these barriers. Instead of buying an entire property, you invest alongside thousands of others in large-scale real estate projects. Think of it like the stock market. Instead of buying a whole company, you buy shares and earn returns based on its growth. With real estate crowdfunding, you own fractional shares of commercial or residential properties and receive a share of the profits. Best of all, everything is managed for you. Your only job? Invest and enjoy the returns. How does it generate passive income? You might be wondering, how does this actually make money? There are two main ways real estate crowdfunding creates passive income. One, rental income. Some platforms focus on rental properties, where tenants pay rent every month. Investors receive a portion of this income, typically monthly or quarterly payouts. This creates a steady and predictable income stream. Two, property appreciation. Over time, real estate values tend to increase. This means your money is not just generating passive income, it's also growing over time. Bonus tip: some platforms even allow automated reinvestment, meaning your earnings are compounded over time, helping you grow your portfolio without lifting a finger. Why real estate crowdfunding is booming in 2025. The real estate crowdfunding industry is exploding, and 2025 is the perfect time to invest. Here's why. A low entry costs. Traditional real estate investing requires tens of thousands of dollars. Crowdfunding lets you start with as little as $100 to $500, making it accessible to anyone. Diversification. Instead of putting all your money into one property, you can invest across multiple properties, locations, and asset types to spread your risk. Completely passive. No need to deal with tenants, maintenance, or property management. The platform handles everything. You just collect your earnings. Technology transparency. AI-driven analytics, blockchain-backed transactions, and real-time reporting make real estate crowdfunding safer and more profitable than ever before. Recession-proof potential. Even in market downturns, real estate remains the market. Some crowdfunding platforms focus on properties with high demand, ensuring consistent rental income even in tough times. With these advantages, real estate crowdfunding is disrupting the investment world, opening doors for everyday investors like never before. How to get started? Excited to begin? Here's a step-by-step guide to start investing in real estate crowdfunding today. Step 1. Choose a trusted platform. Research and pick a reputable real estate crowdfunding site. Some top platforms in 25 include Fundrise, best for beginners with a low starting cost. CrowdStreet focuses on high-end commercial properties. RealtyMogul, great for both residential and commercial real estate investments. Step 2. Decide on an investment type. Some platforms specialize in commercial buildings, residential properties, hotels, or mixed-use developments. Choose one that aligns with your financial goals. Step 3. Start small. Diversify instead of putting all your money into one property. Spread your investment across multiple projects to reduce risk. Step 4. Set your investment goals. Are you looking for monthly income, long-term growth, or both? Choose projects based on your financial strategy. Step 5. Reinvest your earnings instead of withdrawing your profits. Reinvest them into new properties. Over time, this will compound your returns, significantly growing your wealth. In 2025, real estate crowdfunding is one of the best ways to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. Here's why it stands out. Low capital requirements. You don't need to be rich to start. Steady cash flow, monthly or quarterly rental payouts. Wealth growth. Appreciation increases your investment value. No management hassle. 100% passive. Handled by professionals. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced investor, this is your chance to tap into the lucrative real estate market without the traditional barriers. Now, we want to hear from you. Would you invest in real estate crowdfunding? Why or why not? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wealth-building content. Stay tuned for more insights on investing, passive income, and financial freedom. See you in the next video.